Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1959 Triumph TR3A Roadster. It's finished in Winchester blue, blue interior, dark blue cloth tonneau top and side screen set. 4-speed factory overdrive on this car. Chrome wire wheels, chrome 60 spoke wire wheels, Yokohama sport tires. Absolutely fantastic restoration on this car. It's a nut and bolt ground up restoration. I think it's about 5 years old at this point. We sold this car during COVID, and we just purchased the car back. So when I purchased it originally, it was only a year old, the restoration. So I think it's about 4 years old now. But total ground up nut and bolt restoration, spectacular condition overall. And this one's a stunner. It's a factory overdrive, chrome wire wheeled car in this absolutely exquisite color of Winchester blue. It's just an absolute showstopper wherever this car goes. And just really, really lovely turnkey TR3A, which tons of work and effort has been put into. So let's take a look at this car's interior. I accidentally left the tonneau on, which isn't a big deal. I just love this, love the fit of this tonneau cover. Yeah, nowadays to do a TR3 of this level, you're probably gonna spend about $80,000. So this car is fantastic value. But, you know, superb paint and body is approaching 15, 20 grand. And that's a cheap price nowadays. But let's look at this car's interior. So absolutely stunning interior, leather seats. This car also has adjustable steering. That egg-shaped switch in the corner, that's the overdrive unit. But as you can see here, all the finest materials, even you know, nice wool cloth carpet, leather seats, everything professionally done, beautifully done. This car's even better in person than the photos. But yeah, locally sold to a client and now purchased back. It's back on the market for sale. But absolutely stunning car that's had bare metal paint, all new chrome, new windshield, new rubber, completely rebuilt chassis. Recently very sorted out with its mechanicals. It runs and drives great. He's been reliably driving this car and using it for the last 3,000-4,000 miles. Let me open the hood here. So it's an absolute turnkey. Absolute turnkey TR3. You can see there the LO suffix denotes left-hand drive overdrive. Correct air cleaners, all the decals are correct. But yeah, just beautifully finished engine bay. Correctly numbered body tag, VIN plate, engine block. So, matching number car, wind wings. In the trunk here, there is full weather equipment, top, side curtains, all in matching navy blue cloth. And these are Yokohama GT Special Classics radial tires. The seller was telling me they're not available in the US, they're only like a Japanese build. But excellent, excellent turnkey, nut and bolt, ground up restoration TR3, overdrive, 60 spoke chrome wheels, Winchester blue with matching blue leather trim, dark blue cloth top, tonneau cover and side screens set. Super, super good car, probably one of the best currently on the market. www.kurttannermotorcars.com. You know, if you're looking for just a perfectly restored turnkey TR3A in an exquisite color, which is just going to be an absolute showstopper at all your local shows, this is it right here. And www.kurttannermotorcars.com.